Hey, Mom, I feel like you should get a new car.
Why do you want a new car, son?
You know, it's getting a little too small for me. My butt is in pain when I sit here.
You know, I got the same problem. You're right. It's getting cramped here. We're almost at home. I'ma go somewhere. So behave here and watch some TV.
Okay, I guess.
What can I help for you, madam?
I'm here to buy a new car.
Okay, madam. I'm giving you suggestions. This is the new Jeep for sale. Any interests?
Nah, it's a little too big for my garage.
How about this Melon? Care to buy?
Too old.
How about our average purchase car? It's a bargain.
Too cheap.
This van only costs $30,000.
I don't know.
Our luxurious superbike. Care to buy?
Shut up, I'm driving my family, you idiot.
Then our luxury car will interest you.
Too expensive.
How about Melon P50?
It's too small than my husband's.
Guess the last one will interest you. The MUV is known as the Melon Utility Vehicle. 20% discount. The total is $15,000.
I'll take it.
Okay. But first, if you sign this, the car is all yours.
Okay.
Someone at the door? I'ma check it out. Who's there?
I'm here with a new car, son.
No way this is actually real?
It is real. And I'll show you something new.
The headlights are so cool.
Can you open the front?
Wow, the engine and the fuel tank is so cool.
How do you like it?
Yes, it's cool. But where is our old car?
I exchanged it with this car for a discount.
Okay.
Then let's have a spin around the city.